How's it going, guys? So I got the 395s up on the truck. I think they look pretty good. Not too bad. Got them all painted up. I did post a picture before I painted them after I'd finished it. It doesn't look as mean as those big giant tires, but I still think it looks good. I will say it does ride a lot better. It's not as stiff and bouncy. It also, if you have the NHC 250 or the 855 Cummins A1 models, going to the 395s versus the 14Rs or the 16Rs, you definitely retain the bottom end a little bit more. More satisfactory to my liking. It doesn't take off like a major slug. It's still slow on the hills. I mean, you're not going to get much speed out of these trucks anyway, so. But I can get up to 55 relatively easy on flat surface. I maintain about 40 going up a smaller grade. I haven't hit any steep grades yet, so can't really comment on that. But I like them. They look pretty good. Like I said, they ride good. I've probably got about 30 miles on them, on the tires, since I put them on. I'm happy with them.